Chocolate buttermilk cake. Okay, so my best friend Brittany is coming into town tomorrow from Houston, Texas, and you guys, every time she come to town, she demands me to make this cake, but there's a bit of a backstory. We was at Famous Dave's way back in like 2015. They had a chocolate cake. I asked her for a piece of hers. She said no. But if you know Chef, what y'all think I did? I took a piece of her piece. Now, mind you, it was a slither that was probably the size of a paperclip. And now she still feels some type of way all these years later, but whatever. So the inspiration behind this cake is, y'all remember the movie Matilda, where Miss Trunchbull caught the little chubby boy with the short curly hair trying to steal a piece of her cake that the little old cook in the school cafeteria made? Well, this is basically my rendition of that cake. Adding the sweetened condensed milk is the major key, along with warm water. The cake is going to come out very dense because of the buttermilk, but it's also going to be very moist. You know, I ain't making no dry cakes. And this super velvety chocolate, well, ultra chocolate frosting is so easy. I will put the description to that in the caption. Brittany's about to be mad because I tasted her cake, but oh well.